Good morning, my beautiful people. Today we find ourselves in Athens, Greece. Man, I am happy for this trip. Today I'm showing you guys what exactly you can get for middle tier priced options close to the city of Athens. Today this is all about my experience at the Airotel Stratos Vasillikos, a 4-star hotel. Let's get into it. So right now we're on the balcony of the junior suite. But before I get into that, I'm gonna tell you guys the experience of how I even ended up here. I had to book this last minute. I booked this the morning of, and I checked Airbnb and everything else was super expensive. And because of that, the price and how big the places were didn't justify me spending that much. So I was like, all right, let me check what they have for hotels. And I looked around and this was the best option around the $200 a night range. As far as the hotel itself, this was also middle of the road. They had a few cheaper options, but those came with double beds and I wanted a single bed. So this was the best price before getting into like the penthouse suites, which was almost double the price. Starting off in the lobby, it looks super grand. You're greeted to the left, you got reception. To the right, you have a mini bar. And behind reception, you have a place to cut your hair, a full-on salon. So if you need a cut and a place to stay, this is where you need to be. Next to the salon, there's also a spa that sells like perfumes and other cosmetic accessories. Also within the main area of the hotel, there's a restaurant which has free breakfast included. This hotel is about 20 minutes from the airport and Uber, and 45 minutes from the airport taking the metro. The metro is about half the price, but if you want the best deal, you're probably off getting the 24-hour pass, which will give you unlimited rides on the metro. So once you go to the hotel, you can go to the Acropolis and the Pantheon, or you could go just hop in so you get to your restaurant, wherever you need to be. I got here early morning before check-in, but the staff let me drop off my bag so I can keep on the adventure before check-in. The staff was really friendly and nice, and they are situated with any of my needs, asking questions. So overall, 5 out of 5 customer service. As far as check-in, all you need is your passport. They write out the form, you pay. There's a 10 euro tax that you have to pay, which I didn't know about. It's not the biggest deal, but if you're trying to be budget friendly, I would take that into consideration. I'm actually on the 5th floor in the junior suite. It is 323 square meters, and you get a whole lot for price point. Let me show you what you get. Hello, come on in. We're in the junior suite. So starting off, got a desk if you need to do some office work. There is free Wi-Fi. Then you have the basic essentials: iron clothes, hang your clothes, slippers so you can get nice and comfortable, a coffee maker station. Check out these bottles. I thought this was pretty cute. Fun fact, these are empty because they want you to use them as refillable, so you can use them all day and still be eco-friendly. Not to mention the hair dryers over here. And then at the mini fridge, I'm gonna show you some cool finds. Yellow Coca-Cola, lemon flavor. Take that in. Take in the Greek writing. And the cherry on top, this is one of the local beers. I wish I could tell you what it says, but I don't know. Very nice, very nice. Now we have the bed. I'm 5'9", and this is with my wingspan fully expanded. Pretty good. So you're like, time to watch TV. Got the TV right here, which is right next to this mirror, so you can check out how you're fit. Is it fitting? Got the shorts on, looking good, if I do say so myself. Let's go to the bathroom. So let me tell you, what they actually did is they took all the marble from the Acropolis and they put it into this room. Got free toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, dental kits. I bought some before coming. I should just use these. Towels. This does have a little hose for my Americans. I know you're not used to this, but gotta be clean. Gotta be clean. I'm gonna leave it at that. Let's keep going. And now we got the couch. Oh yeah. I got home from doing all the sightseeing. I laid here. Ooh, I knocked out. I woke up like, where am I? It was 9 at night. But luckily I was still able to keep going. You're like, oh man, the TV's pointed over there. I want to watch TV while I'm on this little couch. Don't worry, they got you. Woo. Oh yeah. So now you can watch your TV. One thing I saw is they had Nickelodeon, and I saw Avatar: The Last Airbender, and they were speaking Greek. Now that was a mind trip. Keep on going. You already saw this, but you gotta show it again because it is just spectacular view. I'm about to have morning cup of coffee and just sit here before I start the rest of the day and just be thankful for everything I have because this is truly awesome. So one of the benefits of being in the junior suite is it sleeps 4, has 3 chairs, but I'm sure you can ask for another one for your 4th guest. The biggest benefit is you're on the 5th floor, which is the highest floor in the hotel. So overlooking, if you're on the junior suite, you're golden, but if you're on the floor below, you do a bit of people watching. Don't do that. Don't do that. It's a joke. So next up, I'm gonna go into the amenities. They don't have a pool, but I'm gonna show you guys the gym, and I believe they have like an arcade room, entertainment area, and then I'm gonna show you guys the free breakfast that's included with your stay. Let's go into it. Let's keep going. It's one of the most interesting elevators I've ever been in. Get really close with the person you're with. Oh, scared. I'll show you guys the gym, but they have Pilates class going on. Isn't that cool? I'm gonna just hop in there. But nah, not today. Not enough time. We gotta go eat breakfast. Perfect. So there you have it. This was the Airotel Stratos Vasillikos. The breakfast was, that's probably the best free breakfast I've ever had in a hotel. It was so good. Shout out to the chef for that omelet. One quick fact, this might be obvious for people that have traveled a lot, but if you're new to traveling and you're coming to Europe, make sure you bring a travel adapter. As you can see, there's European plugs. I personally recommend an all-in-one useful one where you're able to change which one you want to use, because you might want to go to Germany or the Middle East next, and something like this will be very useful. I found this really nice. You can change it from do not disturb to makeup room, which means they'll come clean it. Boom. Make it very easy. That way you don't have to bother anyone and they don't have to bother you. You guys saw the hotel room. Take it for what it is. Make your own decision when you come visit Greece. Peace out, and I'll see you guys here soon. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the rest of the content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.